Hi.
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 Welcome to our crazy messy house of construction. What have you been working on all weekend?
My bathroom.
Are you ready to show it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna do an update on the new doors, your bathroom, which I have allowed her to do whatever she wants in, and I'll give you guys an update on the bathroom, which is like this close to being done.
We have a couple. I have a couple more things I need in the bathroom.
Okay. I have literally been sitting here since like 9 o'clock this morning, and it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon working on Planner Club. So if you're a member, check out Planner Club because it is completely revamped. We've got Anna cutting SVG files like crazy. Let's go show them the house. Gotta go see. I gotta see the bathroom. Let's go see the bathroom. We got SVG coming. Look at all these SVGs being cut out. Donut. Bathroom or kitchen is a mess. Everything's a mess. Well, it's not really that messy. We've just been moving things around. But we got new doors. Hunter, we got new doors. Show them. That's a new door. Oh, but it looks homey and beautiful. So I painted up here last week or yesterday. I painted it gray. You showing them? Are you the tour guide? Okay, show us the bathroom. Show me the bathroom. You're so cute. Show me the bathroom.
Come on, buddy.
Okay.
Come on.
Show him. Yeah, so I also did this. I haven't done an update on a lot of things. So I painted gray. Look at the new doors. Dustin's getting a new knob for that.
You ready to be loud?
I am. Whoa! Oh, it's cute. Oh.
Here, come in so you can see the full.
Whoa, I see Mickey back there. Okay. What, are you so excited? Oh, wow. Oh wait, it's like see-through.
Yeah.
So she used wallpaper on the floor. Okay, that's pretty cool. Got Mickey. Wow, that is a bright. You so excited? Do you love it? Your piece of work. Oh, it looks so good. So we started with this picture from Hobby Lobby, and they really wanted to make their bathroom match it. So I was like, okay, go get paint colors.
And I prepped my home for my new coming pet.
Oh, I haven't updated the vlog since we got 2 new family members.
Really?
No.
Oh my god.
And you want to get another Rosalina?
No, not Rosalina. It's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be yet.
So we used to have a fish. His name was His name was Rosalina, and he died. He now lives in our backyard in the ground. But look and then we got this at Hobby Lobby, and Briley blinged it with a few different blings. So we must have been inspired by Mr. Crafty Pants. Oh, I didn't even see this. Well, I did see it because I bought it. But we got this at Hobby Lobby as well. It's Ariel.
Mm-hmm.
So
it has my bath towel and my
and then you can hang your bathing suit.
Yeah, my bathing suit, my bath towel, and my beach towel.
So we need to find one more that has 3 hooks for Briley, which is bathing suit, bath, shower, or whatever. And then I'm really wondering how this is gonna hold up. But this is wallpaper. We found it at Hobby Lobby, and she found it just lying around, so she did it on the floor. But it's see-through.
I know.
So what should we do?
Something else.
Something else? Yeah. So
Yeah.
we get something else.
We're gonna get something else for the whole floor. But I was just like, I'm just gonna finish this so it looks a little decent.
So I think I'm gonna mix this color with white and like blend it into an ombre, possibly when I get a moment, so that it looks like water. And then we were gonna do bubbles. Mm-hmm. It's a little green.
That's what I was saying.
But it looks really good in here. So she painted this color. Me and Dad were talking about possibly going to IKEA and just getting a wood top that we could pull this out and put a whole new wood top in.
Do the top part.
Yeah.
And then just get new pins.
And then pull this off and do like beachy circle mirrors.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go show them the big bathroom. This is good.
Thank you.
Not just a little weekend of work.
I spent 2 whole days on it and got it all done.
Very good. And a lot of Hannah Montana you watched?
Yes. I started season 2,
Whoa.
and now I'm on season 2, episode 20.
Wow.
Yeah, that's how much I worked on it. And that's how I count my hours. I just go on my screen time, and all the Disney Plus time is me working.
Yeah, and then we need to get some stuff for toothbrushes to sit in and stuff.
Yeah.
Cute beach stuff or Ariel stuff. Maybe I'll look on Amazon, see what we can find. Cute. It's a very colorful bathroom. Whoa. All right, let me show you guys the other bathroom. All right, guys, we're in my bathroom. Floors have now been placed on the floor. Vanity has been brought in. We have one little spot that needs shiplap, but all this shiplap is done. I have just a little touch up on the paint, and then the bathtub is installed. I've got to get something to store towels right here. And then Dustin is grouting the floor. And he got all the grout done. Shower heads are ready to be installed. The glass is being installed in a couple weeks. Toilet is in the garage, but we have it. And all the shiplap is done and painted. Trim is done and painted. So the next time you guys see this, our bathroom should be done. So, oh yeah, we have mirrors to put in. Obviously, those are in the garage. Dustin did all the trim around the window. It looks so good. Room. Hunter, do you love the new doors? He says,
See in this dark of a room?
yeah, why not? I love them. I love them. We got the shaker style doors, which are like, to me, they remind me of like the 1940s. I don't know. They just remind me of like a little bit older, but not like brand new, but still kind of classy. I love them. I love it.
At times I'll find my...
What? You keep going.
No, it's fine.
No, I'm not going to interrupt you.
No, it's good.
This is the joys of working from home.
Are you live right now?
No.
Oh.
I'm filming a vlog. I figured I had so much to update on today. I figured I'll throw this in here too.
That's cool.
What are you doing?
I'm learning about live streaming.
Church starts up in a week.
Yeah.
We have filmed all of our service through COVID, and now we liked doing it so much that, well, and we're also trying to tailor to people who want to stay home and not go to church. So Dustin is learning today in the kitchen, and I'm working in the kitchen. So I got this new cool stuff I'm gonna try out. You guys will see a tutorial soon, but Icon Art sent me their really cool make your own stencil, like make your own screen printing stencil kit. And they wanted to pay me, and I was like, no. And then I said, how about you send me it and I try it out, and if I like it, I'll either do a paid video on it or we'll carry it on shopauntie.com. So that's what we're doing. I got this huge box. Looks like this. And it looks semi-intimidating, but not super intimidating. I've also been tie-dyeing shirts, which is perfect. These are the ones that have not been tie-dyed. But I tie-dyed like 12 shirts already, and I've got a bunch more to do, which is perfect because I can test out the reusable stencils for screen printing. So that kind of worked out perfect that I can test that. So yeah, look out for that on a video. Look out for some videos coming on it. And then I'm also going to be reorganizing my office because I got the dream cart, which I love, and I'm going to be featuring that and showing you guys that. But I figured I would do it vloggy style because I've been not vlogging because life has been going back to crazy. So the gym opened back up, hence why I look all sweaty. So life is going back to normal, but I'm going to try to throw in like maybe a vlog here and there. So I thought I had some good content today. So I'm going to get this on the internet for you guys to see it.